Let's do this activity very quickly in the last 5 minutes. Suppose there are 12 children of different ages in a room. You have to make them sit on a specific table according to the following arrangements. If the age is less than 6 years, put them on table 1. If between 6 and 8, make them sit on table number 2 and then on table number 3. Follow the list, specify, this is the, assume that this is the ages of kids. If you look, so you are supposed to be writing a code on paper. This is for your paper-based coding practice. Practically speaking, just consider yourself standing at the door. So your data is coming in, like kids are coming in, you are asking them their ages. Okay, so if your age is 4, for example, make them sit on table 1 and table 2 and table 3. So ask yourself how you can check the age. You know the structure, we have already discussed that. Similarly, table 1, table 2 and table 3, can they be an independent variable or will they be a container? I'm asking. Table 1, table 2 or table 3, will they be an independent variable or a container? It will be container because table 1 may have like multiple students, multiple kids placed on the same table, which means that table 1 may contain more than one kids, more than one values. Okay, similarly table 2 and table 3 are also containers, a list. First of all, you have been given kids underscore ages, so you would write it here, of course. Table 1, table 2 and table 3 are empty lists. Okay, and then you need to loop over all the elements to check if the age is less than 4 or less than 6 or between this range or above 8. Okay, how you can do that is with the help of for loops. For age in kids underscore age, you can name it any way you like it. So kids underscore age is the container name, and you can give it any name, a or age or whatever. And then you can simply perform this if else structure. If age is less than 6, table 1 dot append. We need to add that particular student of which age into table 1. And if they are in between this range, if age is greater than or equal to 6 or less than equal to 8. Okay, so you do it like this, and then else table underscore 3 dot append age. So this is just an additional statement, it may not be needed, but the main thing is table 1, table 2 and table 3. Okay.